Hi crystals, welcome back to my channel and I welcome you all. So this is day 4 of my online sketching tutorial and we are going to talk about lip sketching today, okay? What happened is in lips there are like many ways to make it and whatever feels good for you just go for it. It's just a feeling that create an artist, okay? So yeah, there is 3 points when I tell you to to sketch a lip, and like for every sketching. So always start with a rectangle box, then symbol it with basic shapes. Watch out angles between lines and draw a perfect lip. So these 3 points are like something you have to keep in your mind. What I was trying to say was just make a box first of all. Now this is one kind of method. You can do many methods, you can try many methods. Now I had divided it into some sections as you can see, and because the sections are like dividing it into equal parts, you will make a lip, a perfect lip that will have equal parts at both sides. And that is something most people cannot be able to do because it's little tricky when we make lip. It's really tricky, but it looks so easy, but it is not that easy, right? So I know that you are struggling with it, and that's why I told you this method. Now there are another method as you can see over here. So you can just go with a basic shape that I had told you also before in my like many videos. Just simple it down and create something out of basic shape, and that is a key to get a good painting or an art, right? So here are many shapes that I've drawn from which you can make a good lip, okay? You can try it out, you can practice it out, and you can actually do well. Now here I am telling you how to draw a very beautiful lip out of this rectangle box. Now there is another method which most people in the world use. It is to draw a circle and then like on the lines, okay, in a certain way, and then just connect lines with the help of circles, and you can actually get a good lip. Now that method is very good method, I really love it. But the thing is, if you are making something out of reference, I just don't get it to make out of circles. Like I think because I just don't get enough attention over circles. I just think no, it's not my thing, I cannot do it. I cannot do it because I think when you're making something out of reference, you really need that shape only to make a good, sketch or like something, right? And that is something I just wanted to tell you. And I have told you many times, and you just don't understand it. It's very basic, it's very important, and you must try it out. So whenever you're trying anything, just simplest way to copy that thing like the reference, make a simple shape out of anything. Just assume any part of body or the reference as it is in a shape. It's in any shape, and then create something out of it, and you will actually see what is the difference between the before art, what you were doing before, and like what now you're doing after listening and watching my video. Now here I had shown you this kind of lip. It's like very easy, and like there are many shapes in lips also. As I told you before, there are many shapes in lips, eyes, nose, ear. I mean, for everything there are many shapes, so I cannot tell you only one, right? So I have told you this thin lip also, like something she's smiling, or like that shape, how to make that shape. I just drawn it before that you have seen it. Now this is side lip. Okay, here I'm drawing a side lip, and like it's like full plumpy lip. Now there are many lips who are like very thin, and you just cannot understand if it's the same thing, right? And there are many lip other than that which is like it's very good. It's like so plumpy. I can make it a good, but then you have to make everything right. You cannot just skip anything in the world. Just try to create anything out of your imagination. Try to build your imagination, and yeah, that is something an artist do. Just go around in the world wherever you can and create something out of those things what you see is in the world. So here I have shown you many shapes of leaf. And yeah, that's all I think for today's video, right? Now I also wanted to tell you that I have a Telegram channel which unfortunately you may know or you might don't know. Actually, I just don't get it because I've told you before also and you just don't get it. So you can just go and check out my channel. You can join by link which is on my description box, right? Because there is a big announcement coming, and just wait for a while. After this tutorial I'll do something for you all. So that's all for today's video. Bye.